Hello everyone, my name is Fairuz Hazman bin Mahad and I will be presenting my final year project titled Handwriting Recognition System. Before I begin my presentation, I would like to thank my supervisor TS Dr. Nur Zihani binti Yusof for providing me all the support that I needed throughout this course. So, let's start off with the introduction. Handwriting recognition is an ability of a computer to input handwriting from sources such as printed documents, pictures, and other devices and interprets them as text. It was created for various applications like reading postal address and check bank amounts. Before it was introduced, people have been extracting text manually by typing into their computers. This has proven to be time-consuming and errors tend to occur. The handwriting recognition that we have right now can be inaccurate at times. So, this project aims to build a better model with higher accuracy by implementing different architectures. Next is the softwares that I use in my system. There are three main softwares, which are Python, Anaconda, and PyCharm. Python is the programming language that I use, while PyCharm is the script editor where I write my code. Anaconda is used to create a virtual Python environment where I run my system in. Next, I will briefly explain on the network architecture that I have used to build this system. It is called the autoencoder, which comprises of two parts, which are the encoder and decoder. It starts off with the encoder. The encoder task is to shrink the input image size while extracting its features through a series of convolutional layers. It starts off with the input image, and then it goes to the convolutional 3x3 layers, which then proceeds to the next convolutional 2x4 layers and merge with another convolutional 3x3 layers via skip connection. It then proceeds to the convolutional 3x3 layers, which also merge with another convolutional 3x3 layers via skip connection, and this process repeats till the last layers. When it reaches the last layers, this is when the decoder comes into play. The decoder task is to enlarge the shrink image back to its original size. There are 5 processes here, which starts with long short-term memory one-dimensional and then proceeds to linear, and this process repeats for another 2 times, long short-term memory one-dimensional and linear, and the last process will be the softmax. When it reaches the softmax, this is when the input image size will be back to its original size. So that is simply the explanation of my network architecture. To build this model, I have taken the Bantam dataset and split it into training and testing images. After training and testing the model, I have created the graphical user interface for better and easier use of the system. Let's get on to the demonstration of the system. So, this is my GUI. There are only 2 buttons here, which are upload and read. The first thing I have to do is to upload any images containing any handwritten text by clicking this upload button and browse for any images. And then all I have to do is to click read. And then it will predict accordingly, as shown here. However, since the Bantam datasets consists of mostly cursive handwritings, this system can only predict cursive handwritings and not other kinds of handwritings. So, this is the end of my presentation. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.